friends, Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. Today we're going to make this cute little candy cane out of a Dollar Tree candy cane form. And what I used for this craft was 4 tinsel garland from Walmart. I used some ribbon that I had in my stash. I used some fairy lights from the Dollar Tree, and I used just a little decoration that I had in my stash as well. And I put the lights on. You'll need 2 chenille stems because I put the lights on and then I just attached it to the bottom on the inside to hold it. I just wound it around, and then I also made the hanger to hang it up with out of another stem. So let's get started. So to make our candy cane door hanger, I'm using a candy cane form from last year's stock at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using tinsel from Walmart, and I'm cutting this in about 3.5-inch strips, and I'm going to wind that around my candy cane. We'll see how that goes. And then I've just got a few decorations here. We'll see what we end up using. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my tinsel garland into 3.5-inch strips so it's all ready, and we'll go from there. So I have cut 1 package of the tinsel in 3.5-inch strips, and so far this is what's happening. And this tinsel is only 1 inch by 18 feet. So if you had a thicker tinsel, I'm sure that it would fill it up a lot quicker. But what you do is take your 3.5-inch strip, put it through the middle row. Oops. Put you down here. And give it a couple of twists, and then push it down, and then go to the next bar, do the same thing, push it down, and then to the 2 outside bars. Give it a couple of twists and push it down. The same on this one. A couple of twists and push it down. And then just keep working your way up. So we'll carry on with that. So this is how we're coming along. I've just been carrying on with my tinsel wrapping, and this is 3 packages of the tinsel garland, and I have got my last package cut up into my 3.5-inch strips, and I'm going to carry on with that. So then when I'm finished with that, I'm going to put some little mini lights around the candy cane before I decorate it, and we'll see what that looks like. So here we have our finished candy cane. I've given it a little bow and a little decoration and some mini lights, and I think it turned out pretty cute. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And the inspiration for this I got from watching another fellow crafter at the Crafty Decorator, and I'm going to put her link in my description box below. So until next time, bye now.